In this video we're going to be doing a beautiful bob on our client and fixing up her hairline, which we're going to go into a little bit more detail about. When we look at the before picture, you can see that we got to take off about 1.5 inches of the length, and we're going to stop that hair from being pushed out. So after sectioning it off, you can see right here that her growth pattern grows into the middle. So if it's cut too short, it's going to look weird. If it's not cut short enough, it's going to push the hair out and distract from the shape that we're trying to do. This, back in the 50s, is what you typically would call a duck's ass. Sounds crazy, but that's what it's called. If you Google duck's ass, this is what comes up. It's where all the hair lays and pushes into the middle. So if you look at Sandy's hairline, it actually goes into the middle, which forms that point. So a lot of clients have this problem, and what happens is it pushes it into the middle, and then that point sticks out underneath the bob, or it's too short and it pushes the hair out. So it's got to be done correctly. Now, by no means am I saying that this is the only way of doing it. This is just what I've found that works best for me. So what I've done, I've scissor over combed, so you can see right here on the outside, leaving it shorter where I keep it just slightly longer as I come into the middle, which stops it from pushing it out, and it fades into a nice length. It's soft, it's not clipped, it's done scissor over comb to leave it nice and soft on the hairline, and then as it grows out into the rest of the hair. So as we pull the first section down and cut it and create our guideline, just working our way vertical sections all the way up the back of the head, you can see how it falls nicely over that bottom hairline. It's one of the most important things, and you'll find a lot of clients are really picky about this, but as we work our way up, you can see how nice it's going to lay. So it should form just a slight concave roundness to it on the bottom where we point cut into it to give it that nice finish result. I apologize for this photo. I had a terrible person trying to take the photo, but by point cutting it, I just pull it out with my comb and cut into that bottom guideline to slightly take the weight out of it to give it that nice shape. After connecting the sides, and I just point cut it all the way around, you can see the end result. I think this haircut turned out amazing, and my client was more than happy with it. The hairline laid beautiful, it didn't push it out. Look, I was so excited the way this turned out, but it wasn't until I went back and had a look at the before pictures that I was really excited at the end result. So let's have a look at the before and afters side by side. You can just see how it's laying better, it's falling a lot nicer on the neckline. I'm so happy with this result. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and I will see you guys next week.